welcome to Kids Easy Drawing.
Hello kids, I am Jayas. Today I will show you how to draw a simple flower. So let's start. So first, I am using black marker. Step 1. Draw the flower center first. Draw one medium-sized circle in the middle of the paper. This will be the center part of our flower. Step 2. Draw the petals. Now draw flower petals around the circle. Make 8 simple round petals one by one. Try to keep the petals equal in size. Our beautiful flower shape is now ready. Draw the leaves. Now draw 2 big leaves on both sides of the stem. Make the leaves curved and smooth. Then draw one curved line inside each leaf for the leaf design. Color the flower. Now let's start coloring. Color all the petals with bright orange color. For the center circle, use dark brown or maroon shade. Color the leaves and stem. Color both leaves with bright green color. Then color the stem with green